Hmm? Kaway ka. Hello, mother. This is my mother. She's still beautiful. You see? She's still beautiful even she's already 74. Right now she is 74 at age no. In age na mama.
24 mag-75 na.
Oh, 75 na.
Eh, mamaya
mother
mahawa-hawa
ko.
na naman eh.
Nako, naka-live tayo tapos sabi hawa-hawa. Ano ba yan? Pares naman tayo may sakit eh.
Kahit na.
Okay lang yan. This is my mother. Proud son to her mother. Proud son to his mother, her mother. Tama ba? Proud son to her mother. Tama, no? Her. Siyempre, her. Babae ka eh. So, okay. So, mga ka-vibes, sinsya na kayo at hindi tayo masyadong maano sa English pero we try to deliver. We deliver it so we can communicate like that. So we can to reach how to understand what I'm talking about, you know. Diba? Hindi naman kasi tayo literal na ano. Pero syempre sa mga gusto mong mag-comments yan eh, bahala na po kayo. Ang importante yung ang aking
Nagsayaw
mother.
sila, Lares kanina.
O yata.
Ha?
Yan ang aking napakagandang nanay, no?
Before.
She's still beautiful.
But now no more.
No, right. Until now, you're still beautiful. Beautiful. Yesterday and forever. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye. We have to rest now because we're both exhausted, you know. Or tired. So.